problems. So geometrical word problems का एक problem I have written. So इसमें as we discussed कि इसमें हमको variables लेने होते हैं, x variable. So let us see first of all जितनी भी हमारी वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, फॉर एग्जांपल एक ज्योमेट्रिकल वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स में यू हैव टू बी वेरी वेल थॉरोड विद द फार्मूलाज. सो आई होप आपने पिछली क्लासेस में अच्छे से फार्मूलाज याद किए होंगे अबाउट ट्राइंगल्स, रेक्टेंगल्स एंड अदर ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप्स. तो यहाँ जो क्वेश्चन है, इट सेज द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल इज 60 सेंटीमीटर. टेक x as a breadth and express length in terms of x. If area of the rectangle is 216 square centimeter, find the value of x. So student, हमको यहाँ क्या दिया हुआ है? It is a rectangle and perimeter of rectangle. I hope everybody knows about the formula of perimeter of rectangle, which is 2 twice bracket L plus B. And second thing हमको क्या दिया है कि we have to take breadth as x and length को उसकी term में लिखना. This is the first part. Then दूसरी condition है, if the area of rectangle is given, you have to find out. So area of rectangle, I hope everybody knows, is length into breadth. So easy formulas. Just quadratic banega, will be able to solve. So first thing, solution is what is given to us. Take x as breadth. So we can write down let breadth equal to x centimeter, right? And perimeter is given as, so let length is L only. So given जो है, that is 2 times L plus B is equal to 60. So we can substitute here the value of x, because the first point we have to calculate, we have to find length in terms of x. So very important to understand this. So length को हमको लिखना है. So let us take it as, first we will take 2 as down, so it will become L plus, now this I will take as x, 60 upon 2, which in terms becomes 30. So L is equal to 30 minus x. So this is our first answer that has been required. Convert length in term of x. Now it is given the area of rectangle is 216. So area of rectangle क्या होता है? Length into breadth. So here what we got is length has 30 minus x, breadth is x, and this is equal to 216. So अब हमारे यहाँ पर we can write down length into breadth into length equal to 216. So now if we multiply, so this will become 30x minus x square equal to 216. Now on solving this, ये दोनों टर्म उधर लेके जाएंगे, so equation जो बन जाएगी, that will be like this, right? So this is a quadratic equation. अब इसके middle term split हमको कर रहे हैं. So 216, 36 and 6 will give us, and that will be 30, but we can't take that. You have to be very careful. यहाँ पर दो बन रहे हैं, एक तो 36 and 6 will give you 216 and subtract करके 30, but the sign is positive, plus चाहिए हमको, वहाँ minus 216 आ जाएगा, right? So be careful. So दूसरा हमारा कौन सा फैक्टर बन रहा है? It is 12 and 18 will also give us 216, and both should be negative. So हमारा two factors will get x minus 18 and x minus 12. तो आपका x equal to, अगर हम 12 लेंगे मीन्स breadth 12 लेंगे तो लेंथ आपका 18 आ जाएगा, बिकॉज दोनों का सम मिला के 30 है. एंड सेकेंड, इफ यू टेक x as 18, then length will become 12. So both possibilities are there, both can be our answers, right? So simply in this type of question we just have to learn the formulas to solve it. Now I'll go to the next type of problems, which is related to maybe some age problems. So इसके लिए तो एक there is a one very beautiful thing which you have to do, which makes it very easy. So whenever you got age type of problems, so you just prepare a box. Okay. So in a box, first of all, जब भी आपको age होगा, it may be given that the son's age is 5 years ago or 10 years hence. Is say 5 years back his age was 12 or whatever quantity is given in the question. So you have to relate that, you have to write down कि आपको जो बॉक्स बनाएंगे उसमें यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द एज ऑफ से वुमेन या मैन दिया है और सन या डॉटर दिया है, तो यू हैव टू मेक 2 कॉलम्स फॉर देम. से अगर मैं एक क्वेश्चन लेता हूँ, लेट मी टेक दिस क्वेश्चन फॉर यू. ओके, सो let's take this. Okay, this is a board question which came in 5 years ago. I'm not writing, just listen to me. 5 years ago, woman's age was square of her son's age. So what do we do is we'll write down woman age and his son's age, and it's given that 5 years ago, a woman's age was square of her son's age. So here we can write down 5 years ago. So let son's age. One more thing very important. जो भी छोटा होगा यहाँ son, daughter, उसको आपको x लेना है. Just remember that, right? So let son's age is x. So woman's age, which is given as per the question, 5 years ago, woman's age was square of her son's age. So this is the first condition. Further, 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's age. तो हम इसके बाद क्या करेंगे? Current age भी लिख देंगे. So current में, like this was 5 years ago, so definitely current में 5 year plus हो जाएंगे. So woman age will become this and son's age will become like this. And one more column as per the given in the question is 10 years hence. So 10 years hence. So 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's. So 5 years ago इतना था, फिर 10 years hence means total 15. So her age will be x square plus 15 from here, and this will be x plus 15. So this is what the box, or what we can write it down. Now we have to use the condition 10 years hence, her age will be twice that of her son's age. So 10 years hence, her age will be twice of that of her son's age. So according to question, we can get this. If we solve this, so what do we get is x square. I'll just multiplying it. So this will become 2x. This will become 30. इधर आके this will become minus 30, so 15 cancel over this. So this is what we will get, the quadratic equation, right? It's very simple quadratic equation. We can see minus 15 चाहिए, बीच में minus 2 है, 5 3s are 15 and subtraction sign है, so minus will be 5. So x square minus 3x minus 5x minus 15 equal to 0. So what do we get is, we get two factors. So यहाँ पर हमको क्या मिल जाएगा? We will get x minus 3 and x minus 5, correct? No, this will be plus. So x plus 3 बनेगा और x minus 5. So x equal to minus 3 is not possible. तो इसको हम छोड़ देंगे. So x equal to 5 years. That is, son's age 5 years ago was 5 years. Now there are two things which have to be asked very carefully. आपको उनके आंसर देने हैं, यहाँ पर आंसर नहीं छोड़ना है. You have to look at the question. So first says the age of son 5 years ago. So that we have calculated. Therefore, age of son 5 years ago was 5 years, because x is 5. So 5 years ago we have assumed that the son's age was x. So it is nothing but 5. So his age was 5 years. Second part says the present age of the woman. So this is the second part. So present age of woman. So you have to be very careful. अभी 5 year ago की woman की age मत निकालना. जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है, that is what we have to calculate. So current age of woman we have calculated is x square plus 5. So it will be 5 square plus 5. So that is 25 plus 5. That is 30. So very important part, जो क्वेश्चन में पूछा है, that is what you have to calculate and write it down. राइट. सो दिस वाज समथिंग रिलेटेड टू एज. अब एक और कोई प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. दिस वाज द बोर्ड क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इन द बोर्ड. सो लेट अस सी सम अदर क्वेश्चन. अब देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन फॉर स्पीड. जनरली ये भी एक क्वेश्चन आते हैं, मेंसुरेशंस के भी आते हैं. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग 2-3 बोर्ड टॉपिक्स. नंबर्स के भी हैव सीन, एज का इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, mensuration we have seen. Now we'll see speed questions wherein you will get कार की स्पीड पूछेंगे या बोट का. they'll ask the questions related to boat like upstream and downstream. So upstream and downstream में again you have to same way, जैसे यहाँ बॉक्स बनाया the same way you just prepare a box. स्पीड के क्वेश्चन में भी we'll prepare a box wherein डाउनस्ट्रीम में x में प्लस कर लेंगे, अपस्ट्रीम में माइनस कर लेंगे. Initially, I have also told you this thing in the last video. So let us see one question of speed. Okay. So here, this is also a board question. Speed of an express train is x km/h and the speed of ordinary train is 12 km/h less than that of the express train. तो इधर भी मैं एक बॉक्स बनाता हूँ. यहाँ now क्या क्या गिवन है हमको. देर आर 2 टाइप ऑफ ट्रेन्स. वन इज एक्सप्रेस ट्रेन, वन इज ऑर्डिनरी ट्रेन. राइट. अब उसमें हमको जब भी स्पीड का क्वेश्चन आएगा 3 कॉलम रहेंगे, डिस्टेंस, स्पीड और टाइम का. राइट. सो हियर इट इज डिस्टेंस, स्पीड एंड टाइम. So as per the question, speed of an express train is x km/h and the speed of ordinary train is 12 km/h less than that of the express train. So first thing हम ये लिख लेते हैं कि express train का speed जो है वो x दिया है. When it is x, then ordinary is x minus 12. Right? This is what is given in the question. If the ordinary train takes 1 hour longer then the express train to cover a distance of 240 km. So distance दोनों का सेम ही है, 240 and 240. Okay. So time कितना हमको लगने वाला है इसमें. So time, if you will see, what is the formula of time? So speed का formula होता है distance upon time. So time हो जाएगा distance upon speed. So इसका time हो गया 240 upon x और इसका time लगेगा 240 upon x minus 12 because इसका speed इतना है. Right. So this is the time for this to take it up. Now according to question, what is given to us is that the difference of timing between ordinary train and express train is 1 hour because ordinary train is taking 1 hour extra. Right. So what we can write is ordinary train का जो time है, अगर इसमें से we'll subtract timing of express train, then you will leave left with 1 hour extra, right? Because this is taking 1 hour extra than this time. So now to solve it. So how to do it? Make it linear. Multiply the entire equation with these denominator. So into x minus 12. So इसको multiply करेंगे. So 240x. This will give us 240x minus 12. And 1 multiply will give you x minus 12. So this is in linear बना दिया. So let us complete this. 240 minus x plus now 240 into 12. When we multiply, we will get 2880 equal to x square minus 12x. Now if you see these and these will cut. इसको उधर ले जाएंगे. So equation what we will get is right. So simply we cut it. Taken on the other side, transpose किया, we got this is our quadratic equation. इसको अब middle term split करना है. Now middle term split के लिए you have to think it कि ये कैसे possibly होगा कि 0 को अगर हम छोड़ देते हैं तो 288 और 2880 मीन 3000 के आसपास है. तो you can think 60-50 will give you 3000, but this is less than 3000, so थोड़ा सा कम करते हैं. लास्ट में तो 0 है. So आंसर जो हमारे आने वाले हैं that is because लास्ट में we need 8, right? So 48 का 8 भी हम लास्ट में ले सकते हैं. So let us, so इसके जो फैक्टर्स हैं that will be minus 60x plus 48x. ये थोड़ा आपको सोचना पड़ेगा and you will be able to get it. So when we will solve it, so x minus 60 plus 48 x minus 60. So x equal to 60, चलो पहले हम x plus 48. So x equal to 60 or x equal to minus 48. Now this is not possible because this is speed which cannot be negative. So answer is x equal to 60. That means the speed of express train is 60 kilometer per hour. And question में पूछा find the speed of express train. So that's what they have asked. So और तरीका लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. So final answer में you can write down. Therefore speed of express train is 60 kilometer per hour. So that way we just need to simply write it down. So just try to make this kind of box. It will make your problems easy. I hope you understand today's session. This is all in the word problem, different type of word problems. You need more practice to solve it. Thank you very much.